Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2011 Peugeot. So, any screen, you've got phone over here, click on phone. You see Barry's iPhone Pro there, that's the only one that's showing up. There's nothing connected at the moment, so that screen shows up. So we just click on OK. Then that brings up a different menu, connect phone, rename phone, delete pairing, delete all pairings. So I'm going to go to delete all pairings. We'll clear the menu out completely. Delete all pairings. Do you want to delete all pairings? Yes. If you decide against it, you just turn the rotary control to no, but we want yes. That's it, they're all gone.